$1.2 trillion. This is the amount of money that the freelancers have contributed to US economy in 2021. So you can see and the trend in freelancing. So then what is freelancing? Who is a freelancer? And make sure to watch this video till the end so that I will just give you tips that you can just follow to become a freelancer. So first let's start with a freelancer. So freelancers are the one who don't work for any organization or for any particular company. So they are self-employed. So what is self-employed? So for example, let's say if you are doing a job, so you are hired by some particular company. So what that company will do, they will just get the clients, right? The clients will approach that company for any projects, and these companies will assign that task given by the clients to you, right? And this company will give you these salaries. So that's this. But when it comes to freelancing, you can directly contact to a client and they will pay you money. So that's this freelancing. And if you are wondering what roles are available to do as a freelancer, almost every role. So right from, let's say, video editing, graphic designing, coding, like copywriting, transcripting, every role you just have in freelancing. And you may ask, Sumanth, it's fine, we just know what is freelancing, what are the roles available in that, but how to start freelancing? So I will just give you 3 steps that will help you to become a freelancer. Number 1, just master a particular skill. So in any field, like whether you are just applying for a job, or let's say you just want to become a freelancer, or let's say you just want to start your own business, right? Whatever it may be the case, you just want to master a particular skill. And the second thing is create a portfolio, right? We have a lot of websites, like lot of platforms for to become a freelancer, like Freelancer, that itself a website, or let's say Upwork, Fiverr. So these are all the platforms where you can just create your portfolio and start applying for the projects, like start bidding for the projects. So that's the second case, right? Building your portfolio. So whatever may be the case, you just want to stand out from others. So how you just create your resume. In the same manner, just add all the details about the skill which you just have. Like if you just done some projects, just add that. Or let's say if you have any prior experience working with that particular skill, working with some other clients, or let's say working with some other company, like whether if you have done some internship, just mention all that and build a good portfolio in that platforms. So that's the second step which you just want to do, like creating your portfolio. And the third and most important thing is applying for, like, bidding for the projects. So in freelancing, what you just want to do is you just want to bid for a particular project. So a client will post a project in that platform, like let's say like Fiverr or Upwork, and they just post that, and you just want to bid for that project. As a beginner, it's very difficult to get projects, right? Definitely the client will choose the guys who have more experience. So here you should have patience, right? Just keep bidding for as many projects as possible. And the most important thing is, after you complete your project, you just ask for a review, or let's say some feedback. So that feedback will help you to grow. So that's what you should do. And the main thing here is learning a skill and mastering that skill. So if you just have a good knowledge on that particular skill, definitely you will get clients. So what are the top 5 skills that you just want to learn in 2022? You can just watch this video. And what's your opinion on freelancing? Just comment down below. I will just read that as well. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you got some value from this video. If you feel this video is helpful, make sure to like the video and make sure to share this video as well for the friends who don't know about freelancing, or let's say how to start freelancing. So make sure to share this video as well as if you haven't already subscribed, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications as well. So with that, I will see you all in the next video. Until then, keep learning, take care, and thanks for watching.